Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, it's been a long summer, but we're back and we're working on the S10. Last video we did, we showed you guys how to put the tubular cross member in from Innovate Racecraft, and we have it all tacked in. We're going to finish a couple of small things and then we're going to weld it. We're going to weld it. We're going to paint the whole front of the frame, and then we're going to put all the suspension together. And then we're going to move on to the back. A couple of things that we did was where you go? Over here. Over here. We purchased a roll cage from Competition Engineering, and we're going to install that. I have a couple of things that I'm going to try as far as putting the cage in, because it's a chromoly cage, so it has to be TIG welded. So what I'm looking to do is cut holes in the floor that are the outside diameter of the cage, mount the outriggers off the frame, and then once everything is tacked into place, lower the whole cage inside the chassis so that I can weld across the top of them, and then raise it back in and finish with the door bars and the dash bar, and then the outriggers that go front and back. We will detail that whole deal when it comes time to do that. Right now, we're in the process of taking out the interior, so I have some time-lapse footage of that, and we're also working on getting the dashboard completely out of the way so that everything will be a clean slate and we could put the roll cage in without any obstacles. Other other thing that we're going to do is the rear suspension. Over the summer, I spent a little bit of time with Cameron Johnson at CJ Race Cars. He seems to be the S10 guru, and I got some advice from him as to what we're going to do with rear suspension. The problem is we're either going to run a 275 radial or a 10.5 slick. And I cannot stand the way the back end of these trucks look when the tire isn't tucked underneath the truck and lowered down. So what we're going to do is we have Caltrax split monoleafs. We have Funkhauser rear sliders. And I'm also going to get Funkhauser front leaf spring pockets. And once I get those, we're going to notch the frame, and we are going to send all the suspension in 2 inches on each side. Since I don't have a rear end housing yet, I could make it any width that I want. So I want to get the wheels and tires where they're supposed to be before I take measurements for the rear end and get that all done. So we'll be doing videos as we go. We're going to basically start in the front and work our way back, and we'll have footage of everything that we're doing. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Drop a comment, share, subscribe, and let's not forget about our 500 subscriber sweepstakes. Once we hit 500, we're going to throw everyone's name in a hat, pick one out, and you're going to get a $250 prepaid Visa gift card. Zach, what do you have to say to all that?
I hope I win.
I don't think you're allowed to win. You're not eligible.
Damn.
How about Brianna?
No.
So thanks, guys, for tuning in. Check out our coverage. We'll pause periodically so we can explain what we're doing. Enjoy the video and look forward to some upcoming content on the S10. Thank you.